This video will show you how to enter BIOS configuration settings and boot menu option for an HP Omen 15 laptop. And I will show you how to boot from USB. So here goes. Power on the laptop. Now keep tapping the F10 key. Just like this. Can you see? F10. BIOS consists of main, security, system configuration, and exit. I will show you a quick flick through. Now I'm going to exit BIOS configuration settings and show you how to enter boot menu option and boot from USB. So exit. I'm going to power off the laptop. Insert my bootable USB. So you insert it in one of your USB ports. Now power on the laptop. Now keep tapping the F9 key this time. Yes guys, the F9 key will bring you into boot menu options. I will zoom in and show you. F9. So this is boot manager for HP. So your primary drive will show first, and then your USB external bootable drive. So I will select that. Press enter. Now your laptop will restart and it will boot from USB. So it's booted into Windows. I hope this video has helped you. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and please check out my other videos too. Thank you for watching.